So we are here now in the colorful streets of Balat. It's really cool, looking really old. It's also a lot of hiking up and down, most of the time up here, but we handle the pressure. And now next stop is the beautiful colorful stairs. Let's see, I hope we can find it. And yeah, we keep you updated later. And I'm on the way with here Novi. She's just running, it's more energy than me. Yeah, let's go up. So and here in the back is the Greece high school, I guess, but maybe I'm wrong. So and now we are at the colorful stairs. Lots of people. It's kind of a tourist highlight here. Yeah, you go inside. I think you have to pay some entrance. You see some colorful umbrella. We finished now the stairs. It was really cool. Yeah, we like it. And this is typical Istanbul scenery here. So a really cool thing about Istanbul is you see everywhere these Turkish flags. It makes a really cool street scenery. And yeah, in the back is another mosque. We just finished our Balat trip and now we go for coffee.